Hey guys, how you doing? Yeah, I know. Where have you been? Are you still alive? Have you given up on YouTube? First of all, chill. I haven't given up on YouTube. The thing is, I want to do a lot of things at the same time. Plus, YouTube was supposed to be a hobby and it shouldn't become an inconvenience or a drag. So by that, just know I haven't given up on YouTube. I'm working out my schedule and just expect an episode whenever. Anywho, enough of my ramblings. Today we'll make a beautiful lemon butter chicken fillet recipe. And also at the end, I have a little bit of an extra for you guys, just for you in the spirit of Valentine's Day, to give you guys a leg up. Anyway, just stick around and you'll find out. You wanna know how I did it? I'm Cosito. Let's go! In typical fashion, first off, let's go over the ingredients you need. We'll start with a handful of chopped parsley, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 240 milliliters of chicken broth, and 1/4 or 60 milliliters of heavy cream. Then we have 1/8 or 30 milliliters of lemon juice. The amount of lemon juice and heavy cream that is used all compares to the amount of chicken broth that is used. We continue with 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we have salt and pepper. I'm using truffle salt just because I'm a little bit bougie. You can of course use just regular salt. And lastly, we need garlic powder and a bit of chili for that spice. And also, of course, the main ingredient, the chicken fillet. First thing we're gonna get into is seasoning the chicken. We're gonna do this on both sides with salt, pepper, chili, and garlic powder. Get in there because this is the only moment you get to season the chicken. So do it nicely. Then on a medium-high heat, add in the butter. Let this cook till it's melted. Furthermore, we're gonna add in the minced garlic and let that cook for about 30 seconds or till it's brown. At this point, we can go ahead and place our beautiful chicken fillets to the pan and cook these on both sides for 1.5 minutes. Don't take these too far though, because they can dry up real easily. After that, place them on a tray, put them in a 200 degrees oven and let them cook for 15 minutes. Now let's continue to make the sauce. In the same pan, on a medium-high heat, pour in the chicken broth and mix it with the lemon juice and bring this to a boil. After it's boiling, lower the heat to a medium and let it simmer away for about 5 minutes. After this, pour in the heavy cream and let it simmer for another 3 minutes such that it can thicken up. Now use this time to taste and add more ingredients if you want to. A quick tip, if you feel like it's too lemony or too salty, just add in a bit of honey. Adding honey is optional, but highly recommended. Lastly, turn off the heat and sprinkle in the parsley. Now this sauce is done. Everything is set for Valentine's Day, but wait. Let's spice it up a bit with this pink champagne cocktail to enjoy. Later I will post a short explaining how to make this one, so be on the lookout for this one. But for now, let's taste. The chicken is still tender and definitely not dry, precisely how I like it. So I dare you to try this one out, because this recipe is all by all yum. You see that? A beautiful and easy lemon butter chicken fillet recipe. And also definitely check out that pink champagne cocktail recipe. It should be a good one. So enjoy your Valentine's Day and also like this video if you have enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe. This has been Cosito's Kitchen and showing you the difference between a chef and a cook. Take care guys. Peace.